So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will see the installation of ReactJS. So let's start the video, and if you not see the basics of the introduction of ReactJS, then watch the previous video. It is in the comment section and in the comment section and the description also. So you can watch that video. So we'll start the installation of ReactJS. So first of all, we will install ReactJS with Tailwind CSS and Nvite. Why Tailwind CSS? Because nowadays using custom CSS is not much popular, and using Tailwind CSS makes it easy for styling the layout and the design of the pages. So if you don't know Tailwind CSS, first learn the Tailwind CSS. In the short, I will add in the comment section or in the description the good video of Tailwind CSS of Code with Harry. So from there you can learn Tailwind CSS, and after that you can come here and see the installation of ReactJS. So first of all, come to this website called tailwind.com. I will also add this website in the description. After that, you have to add this command in your, you can say, terminal. This command you have to add. After that, you have to go in the CD of the project that you have added. Means you have to add your project name here. After that, you have to install the Tailwind CSS. So here is a command for installing Tailwind CSS in your project. So this command will initialize the tailwind.config file, which will handle all the configuration of a Tailwind CSS file. Basically, you can say color of the layout, different colors you can add in that variables of the CSS also, so that you can use in a project. After that, you you can enter the command. This file will be created, and after that you have to copy paste this snippet in your project, and have to add index.css also in this also in your index.css file. After that, simply npm run dev, and your React app will start running. So we will see a live demo of how to install it from scratch. So let's start the video. So first of all, I have to open my terminal. Just a second. In terminal, we paste this command. You can see you have to put yes here. It will install yes, it is installed. After that, you have to go into the project CD. Okay. After that, you have to paste the next command. It is for installing the Tailwind CSS. It's installing. You can see. After that, you can see the Tailwind CSS is installing. Till then, we have to paste this, and these two stuffs only in the code. I will open the code in the VS Code now. After the installation is completed, this command will create a Tailwind config file. After that, we will go code dot. The VS Code will get open in the, you can see here. After that, you will control and backtick to open a terminal of the VS Code. After that, you will copy paste this stuff inside the tailwind.config file, and the index.css file that is in the source folder. We will copy paste this stuff, and simply here we will run npm run dev. So our ReactJS app will start running on localhost 5173. If you type here and say localhost, React app is get started in and installed in Vite, as you can see. So this was the first ReactJS installation we have done. This is the first tab we have created. You can see in installation. So this is what it in the video. Next video we'll see how to create a first component in ReactJS, and also we'll see further videos of ReactJS, props, what are states, what are hooks in React, and more further concepts of ReactJS to start your journey in web development and one stack. You can follow this series. So this is for this video. Thank you guys for watching my video, and like and subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Okay, thank you.